तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती। We know how to defend it. 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us। पाकिस्तान की कहानी अपने बच्चों को जो है आपने जरूर सुनानी है। अपनी मिल्लत पर कियास अक़वाम मगरिब से न कर, खास है तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी। कम ऑन, इज इट जस्ट अ ब्रेन ड्रेन? पाकिस्तान की कहानी अपने बच्चों को जो है आपने जरूर सुनानी है ताकि वो पाकिस्तान की कहानी न भूलें। Well, our forefathers they thought that we are different from the Hindus in every possible aspect of life. Our religion is different, our customs are different, our traditions are different, our thoughts are different, our ambitions are different. That was the foundation of the two nation theory that was laid there, that we are two nations, we are not one nation. So because of that our forefathers they struggled, mounted that incessant struggle to create this country. Our forefathers they have sacrificed immensely and we have sacrificed a lot for the creation of this country and we know how to defend it. आज तक इंसानियत की तारीख में सिर्फ 2 रियासतें हैं जो कलमे की बुनियाद पर बनी हैं। पहली जो थी उसका नाम है रियासत तैयबा, क्योंकि तैयबा जो है वो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उसको नाम दिया था, और जबकि कुरान में उसका नाम है यसरब, या अहले यसरिबा ला मुकाम लकुम फरजिउ, ये कुरान में नाम है उसका, जो आज जिसको मदीना अल मुनव्वरा कहा जाता है। और दूसरी रियासत जो है वो उसके 1300 साल के बाद अल्लाह ताला ने ये आपकी बनाई है कलमे की बुनियाद के ऊपर। Whatever little bit of the terrorism which is taking place in the country and the people say and the people they are mostly propagating that with this kind of security situation there won't be any investment coming to Pakistan. Well, to them they must hear me very clearly now. You think terrorists they can take away the destiny of the country from us? If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. और बलूचिस्तान जो है जो कि पाकिस्तान की डेस्टिनी है, ठीक है, जो कि पाकिस्तान के माथे का झूमर है, तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती। इंशाल्लाह you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. Balochistan, you think this 1500 people belonging to BLA and BLF and BRA etc. can take away Balochistan from us? We have those brave fathers that who proudly shoulder the funeral of their sons and take them to the graves. Pakistan will not fall, and for as long as we have those brave mothers that who proudly sacrifice their sons for the sake of the country, Pakistan will not fall. आपके मुल्क के सिक्योरिटी के इदारों को, those that who are sacrificing their lives on daily basis for your safety and security and for the well-being and defense of the country, जो उनको belittle करता है, he is actually friend of enemy and he is enemy of Pakistan. Pakistan needs to be a hard state, a country whose all institutions, whose all departments, organizations, divisions, allied departments, they are working as per the law, they are fully operational and everything is being done as per the constitution, is a hard state.